today we're here doing a photo shoot for Denim Dive in the beautiful city of St. Cloud. We're in a beautiful ranch with horses. I've got my best friends who are also models. We've got 2 photographers, tons of outfits. It's gonna be awesome.
If you're interested, are available at Denim Dive. I always love working with my girls, Christina and Allison, and I have awesome photographers. Their links will be provided below. I plan on posting videos more often. I want to post at least once a week. I plan to do videos of like curl tutorials with really cool hairstyles, the products that I use, the do's and don'ts, favorite products, not favorite products, how to know your hair types, what kind of hair type you have, and what to do with the hair types that you have. I'm all about peace, love, self-love, women empowerment. Want to thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for more.